Hello everyone. Imagine this, it's a Saturday night. You arrive at your favorite restaurant excited to eat and the first thing you hear is you have to wait 30 to 40 minutes. No certainty, no updates, no system, just waiting. This is a daily frustration faced by thousands of diners, especially during peak hours. Customers are left standing outside with no clear idea of when they will be seated. Many get tired and simply walk away. But it's not just a customer problem, it's a business problem. Restaurant staff are forced to give rough estimates, manage queues manually, and deal with no shows. This leads to inefficiency, loss of revenue, and a poor customer experience. At the core, the issue is simple. There is no real time connection between the restaurant queue and the customer, and that's where our solution comes in. Introducing DIneQ, a real time restaurant queue and pre order management system designed to eliminate uncertainty and transform for the dining experience. With DineQ, customer can join restaurant queue remotely even before leaving home. They instantly get a live position and an accurate time that updates in real time. While waiting, customer can browse the menu and pre-order their food. So by the time they arrive and sit down, their meal is being prepared or even ready. On the restaurant side, staff get a digital dashboard that reflects pen and paper queues. With a single click, they can sit customer, manage no shows, and keep the system update automatically. Even better, customer receive real-time notification like you are next, your table is ready, ensuring no confusion and no missed turns. DineQ does not just reduce waiting, it makes waiting productive, transparent, and efficient. In short, we are turning chaos into clarity for both customers and restaurants. Now, as you can see, this is the landing page of the DineQ where I can log in as customer or restaurant owner. Now, for now, we will sign as restaurant owner, like first create an account. Now, first we will enter our name. After that, we're gonna add an email. Now, just add a mobile number randomly and a strong password. And one should enter his restaurant name. For now, I'm adding the vibe. Also, address. Now, the restaurant cuisine type. Like for now, I'm taking Japanese. And the image URL of your restaurant. And the average sitting time estimated by you. Let's see. For now, the dashboard page for the restaurant is created. As you can see, here the queue, menu, settings, seated every time in queue, everything. Now let's check the history page. For now, there is no history. Now discover restaurant near you and the profile page. Like here, I can edit everything. Like for now, I can update the image as I consider. As you can see, for now, I'm now let's go to the another browser. Now let's check the menu page. Like I will to add the menu and dishes here. For now, I'm adding ramen, and the price should be $12. And let's go and browse the image for it. Which should be good. I guess this should work, I guess. Add the image here and the save item. As you can see, it's updating in real time. Now let's add a drink. I guess for now I will add boba tea. Add the drink and the URL for the image. Which should be good. This should be good. Oh, this will work. The save item. See, it's so easy and simple. Like here I can change my average time of the restaurant and accepting new parties or not. Let's just sign up as the customer. Like first I will enter in customer as my name. And proper email. A valid mobile number. Oh no. And a password. Now just login. Now as you can see, I'm seeing the real data which will be created by ourselves. I first check the dashboard page. It's about the everything about the web page. Now let's check out my queue. There is no queue, so go to history. Now there is also no history. Let's go to profile page. I can change I can also upload image here of myself. For now let's upload. Let's upload this burger image. Now in the top restaurant, we can see the restaurant we have created recently, the vibe. Let's try to join it. First, just place the screen between two. Now let's just pre-order some items and see the total and join the virtual queue. Now join to party of 2. Now as you can see, I am getting real-time notification from the restaurant staff side. Here is the what have the order and what is the total price and average time. Now see my queue here, I'm in position 1 and 12 minute estimated time. Also I can pre-order while waiting. Now when the order is ready, let's notify the customer your order is ready and what is the total amount. And when the seat is empty, we can also click on the seat to sit them in. Let's click. Next I'm getting a notification from the user side, and here is the history. One party is seated Arya Prajapati. Now from the user side I can give the rating to the restaurant. Now this submit rating. Now also I can search restaurant by name properly here in the search bar. Also I have the history of the page.